Look at that gorgeous French toast. Delicious brown sugar, bourbon, French toast, with the syrup dripping all off. Whew, let me show you how I did it, but first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. The recipe with all of the amounts will be in a link in the description box. These are our ingredients. We've got a loaf of bread, eggs, salt, brown sugar, milk, bourbon, orange, and some maraschino cherries, and then we're going to cook it in some butter. Slice your bread about an inch thick, really however big you want to slice it. I like for it to be nice and thick. Crack your eggs to a bowl and then beat them up thoroughly. You want to make sure you get the yolk and the white well combined. Add in your brown sugar, your kosher salt, and then the milk. Add in your bourbon. Actually, I grabbed a bottle of Uncle Nearest Tennessee whiskey and it was perfect in this recipe. You can use vanilla if you don't want to add any bourbon or whiskey to the recipe. We're gonna get some orange zest in there. And then you can save the rest of the orange, slice it up, and serve it with your French toast. And get some butter on that hot griddle. Get that bread nice and soaked. Not too much because you don't want it to be soggy. Look at that pretty orange zest in there. Yep, let some of that drain off. And then onto the griddle. All right, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Golden brown and delicious. Perfection. That looks so good. I think this one might need a little more time because that part of the griddle is not as hot. Let's take a peek and see. Oh, not bad, not bad. All right. Let's let those finish cooking on that side. This batch is ready, so we'll put it on a wire rack and then work on our next batch. We'll put that, the ones that we just finished, put it in a warm oven so it won't be too cold when it's time to eat. Shout out to my daughter Anise. She did all of the cooking for this video while I did the filming. She did such a good job. Thank you, sweetie. Look at that beautiful French toast, brown sugar, bourbon, French toast. There's a little bit of that syrup on there. So good. It's loaded with fruit. Maraschino cherries, you know, because that goes good with the bourbon. Tasty, perfect for brunch. I love it. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Sign up for those notifications, hit that bell. Y'all have a delicious day.